Well, hello there and welcome to another training module. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to stop lead contact duplication in Odoo. Let's get started. If you have noticed, for instance, if you navigate into your CRM, I have different opportunities in here. For instance, if I pick this opportunity and double click on it, I can tell this is Masood's opportunity and this is the email address that I am using in this scenario. Now, if I decide to do a very new opportunity in this case, go back to the pipeline and create a new lead and maybe type this is the test opportunity and then type the email address exactly as the one that is already in existence, you'll notice that Odoo does not filter this and tell you that this opportunity has the very same email address as this next opportunity. And if I open that opportunity through, you can tell the email address is the same, which is very similar to the other email address of the next opportunity, which is down here. And you can tell there's a duplicate in here. Well, duplicates are not cool at all because they make your work very of a hassle, especially when you're sending emails and communicating with your clients. To make sure that these duplications do not happen at the point of creation, I'll go back into my pipeline and erase this opportunity so that we set up a filter. I'll navigate back into my setting option, navigate into setting. From my setting area, I'll move on to technical. So I'll click on the technical, remember it's general setting, technical. From the technical option, I'll select automation. So I'll scroll down into a list of a number of commands until when I get to automated actions. I will click on automated action and I can tell that I have not set up any automation in this space. Well, I'll navigate into create a new automation option and I'll call it remove duplicates. I'll make sure that it is active and on the model section, I'll select lead slash opportunity because I want to filter duplicates from the leads section and the opportunity section. Remember, if you want to change these same opportunities or if you want to change the same on different sections, for example, events, then you can select the events, social posts, and any other section that you like to capture these duplicates. For this demo, I'll select lead opportunity. So it means that whenever I enter data into my leads opportunity, the data will be scrutinized using these automated options that I'm setting here. So in this model, I've selected a lead opportunity and what is it supposed to do? So when you are in this lead opportunity, you'll want on screening this automation to do the following. It can send a message, it can add a follower, it can execute several actions, but in this case, I will execute a Python code. You notice that down here, I'll have a Python window that allows me to type in a Python code. Don't forget to set up the trigger. Most people forget. The trigger is what happens or what event should call upon this automation. I will say during creation. So I select on creation. So to take you through is in the lead or opportunity section, when I start creating, scrutinize whatever I create using this Python code. And the Python code is down here. So to write out this Python code, write the Python code. You can pause the video just to see the Python code here. It's a very small, tiny one line which says that when we are creating an item in the email section, make sure that this email that you're typing in here is not equal to the emails that are in the record. In case this happens to be true, then it needs to tell you that the email is already in existence. Once I feel this record is okay, I have already created my trigger, my model, and the actions to do, which is in the Python code. I'll click on the save option. Now I'll navigate back into my CRM to see if this automation has taken effect. So go back into settings, navigate into my CRM, and on the lead option, I'll want to create a new lead. Just make it bigger. So I'll do test lead duplicate. So I'll come here and create an organization, for example, a test op as an organization. I'll also input the email address that is exactly the same email address which is being used by another user. I will click on add. Just retype in the email address. To test it through, I can add a phone number if I want to, and I'll click on save and close. There we go. Odoo automatically, unlike the first experiment, captures that you have entered an email address that is already in existence, and it will show you the error that we had already set in our code, that there is a duplicate in your workspace. You can edit this action by navigating back using the edit option. You can also disable this action if you wish to continue with a duplicate in Odoo. I'll click on OK and discard those changes in my interface. Well, that is how you stop lead contact duplication in Odoo CRM. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next nugget.